If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 casual pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Invicta. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Avaner. Number 3, by Bobo Bird. For more details about this great casual pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by AMPM24. Number 5, by ManChDa. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by FobTime. Number 7, by ManChDa. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by FobTime. Number 9, by ManChDa. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by FobTime.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.